Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1978 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. It's finished in white, the red interior. It's a very special car. It's got 22,000 miles. Only 2 owners. From Virginia. Factory CB radio. Tons of documentation. Finished in white. From Moore Cadillac in Virginia. Beautiful chrome paint. Stainless. Body side molding. Door edge guards. Exterior temperature. Mud flaps. Pinstriping is super nice. That's final. Kind of brings out the red interior. These cars are skyrocketing in value. You don't really see them in this condition anymore. American classic tires. See white walls. Original caps. Beautiful interior. These cars always came well appointed. This piece here always breaks. That's in great shape. Perfect headliner. Power locks, windows, mirrors, seat. Outside temperature. Very hot here today. 22,411 miles. Titanium lights. Tilt telly. Gold keys. Factory CB radio. The original mats are just in incredible shape. We have tons of original documentation too, including the A-track. Gorgeous dash. This car's always been garaged. Rear mirrors in great shape too. Car comes with a car cover, a couple spare belts. Looks like the original spare back here too. Pretty neat. So cool. Pull down trunk. Nothing like a caddy. Factory back wraps. Gorgeous door panels. There she is. Big boy. All correct under here. factory chalk marks. All the correct hoses, clamps, battery cutoff switch, as it was. Pretty car. Even the underhood padding is still intact. Shows you how well it's been taken care of. Nice. Very cool indicators for the blinkers on top of the hood. And these illuminate when you turn the side marker turn signals on. Let's go for a quick ride. Always enjoy driving these cars. I can hear the clock ticking away. Pretty cool. This looks like a dead end. Spin around real quick. There we go. Definitely drives like a 22,000 mile car. Pretty amazing. CB works actually. Check that out. Even there's a little nugget on the CB, on the antenna for the CB. Breaker 16. Breaker. Very cool. So nice. So it doesn't look like the regular radio works. CB does. Tried the air conditioning. Definitely everything is there, but it's not blowing cold, so it probably needs a charge or something. Tried the antenna. That doesn't seem to be working either. You can hear the clock ticking too. It doesn't seem to be changing. It runs fantastic though. Oh, cruise works. Cool. Let me just check all the lights for you. lights are automatic. Turn them on. And what a pretty car in white. And there's your marker light. It illuminates the street when you make a turn. Love the courtesy lights inside too. So pretty. There's your side marker. Pretty. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 250 photos I took today on the website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.